will she do to ensure that trans people know they belong in our society and are valued?
Minister.
I can indeed give my honourable friend the assurance that our draft legislation on conversion practice will be trans inclusive. I thank the honourable member for his question, and as we know, the previous government repeatedly broke its promises to deliver on the issue of conversion practices and allowed the debate to become ever more toxic and divided. This is a key manifesto commitment, and we are committed to bringing forward legislation to ban these abusive practices. We will be publishing our draft bill later this session.
Do they run to those days long gone? And if you hear the noise